we're going to show you how to set up the scoreboard in OBS. So you're going to open up your sources, browser source, scoreboard. Once you get to here, you're just going to come over to where the Google Documents is open and or Google Sheets, sorry. And where the URL is in that browser, you're going to take that. You're not going to use the link that I sent you. You're gonna open the link, and then you'll grab the link from the browser. And then you just come in here, post it, click OK. So once you have this, if it shows up as like you got to log in, you just click interact, and then you can log in through here. This is also how you'll change lobby tabs. So once you get it, you can crop it down by holding the Alt key and then moving the little tabs and get into a size that you want or how much of the screen you want to show. And then to resize, you just grab it without holding any keys and then make it as big as you want. Put it wherever you like. I'm going to put mine here and then I'll lock it down. And then if I want to change the tabs, I just hit interact after clicking on it. Just pick a different tab. And then boom. That's how you get it. It's pretty simple. It's not overly complicated, but if you've never had to do something like this before, it makes it easier to have something to reference.